G'day guys, down here at my property in Brisbane today, which is so close to being finished. As you'll see in a moment when we walk you through, carpets are down, tiling's been done, most of the painting's been done, just needs a big clean and a bit of a touch up now. Looking so fresh, I'm super excited about it. I couldn't have expected it in the coronavirus market, but rent returns in this particular suburb have literally increased about $100 per week because of all of those people moving out of Sydney and Melbourne into Brisbane at the moment. So I initially thought I'd get about $500 a week for this home. I'm now expecting $550 to $600 at least. And for the 2-bedroom granny flat that I've built, I was originally expecting about $300, and now I should be expecting at least $325, if not $350. So gonna be a great rent return. Just talking to my brother-in-law, Brad, who's a chippy and runs a building company. He didn't build this one for me, but he's gonna come back and put a little bit of fencing out the front. He's gonna put some garden beds in, plant some trees and stuff for me, which I'm super excited about. Once it's all finished off, I'll get my tax depreciation report on it from BMT. Should be able to get about 15 grand a year written off for the next 5 years on this property, times by my tax rate. Cannot wait to show you through in a few weeks once it's all finished off. White picket fence is in, grass is in, garden beds are in, and it's ready for rent.
So sweaty. Oh, that's good.